Hi guys, welcome back to PyPro versus YouTube channel where curiosity meets the code. Today we'll be discussing about how to do data visualization of an Excel file by just loading the document. But before that, we'll be checking the packages pre-installed in my system. So the first command that I'm going to execute in command prompt is pip list, where you can see all the packages with the versions so I can give a look about what package is what version and update it accordingly. So you can take a look onto your packages. If not installed, please do install it. You can just Google how to install and there will be a command for that to execute in command prompt. Another command to check for all these is pip freeze, which gives a similar output where packages with the version will be mentioned. So firstly, let's go through the code, understand how it works so that we can predict the output. So here, as you can see, we have imported pandas, Matplotlib, figure canvas, and tk and other functions. So why pandas? The library is used for data manipulation and analysis, especially for handling tabular data. Matplotlib, the library is used for creating plots and visualization. Then figure canvas tgag from Matplotlib backends. This class provides a Tkinter canvas to embed Matplotlib figures into the Tkinter GUI. And the last one is tk and the file dialog from Tkinter. These modules are used for creating GUI application and handling file dialogs respectively. Let's move on to the class. So we have a class of load Excel file. We'll get into how that functions. So as you can see, the function is called when the user clicks on load Excel file button. So there we have already given a load Excel file button. And when clicked on this, this particular function has been executed. It opens a file dialog for the user to select an Excel file. Once the file is selected, it reads the Excel file into the pandas data frame, which is pd.readExcel, handling different file extension, which can include XLSX or XLS using appropriate engines. So for appropriate engines in the sense for XLSX, open PYXL or for XLS, XLRD format is being used. If the file format is unsupported, it prints an error message. Now, what is the error message? Unsupported file format. Please use .xl or .lsx files. Now, after this, you can see then it calls the plot data function to visualize the data. So then let's move on to the next, which is plot data. Now, what happens in plot data function? The function of plots the data from the data frame. So the loaded data frame, which is there, whichever Excel file which we are given, this functions the plot the data from there. It creates a new matplotlib figure with specified size, which is plt.figure. So that we have given already as x-axis, y-axis, the label, the date, title, and also the legend is also given, and also the size and what kind of a plot it should be. Everything has been mentioned. You can change as per what kind of a graph or what size of information do you want to get. Okay, then it also sets the canvas draw and packed into the Tkinter window. It makes sure that the format is in the Tkinter window. So next, The sentence is to create a Tkinter window with the title of Excel Data Viewer. So we are creating a Tkinter video and also window. And next you can see how to create and load Excel button. So in previously in the one of the function we have given the load button function to do some work. So here we are initializing the load Excel button with what is the name of the button and also what is the kind of label and the position of the button. Finally, there is a code to run the main tkinter event loop, which starts the loop. So let's quickly see how the program executes. So I'm going to where the file.py file is saved and going to copy the name of the folder, go to command prompt, cmd, and Python space file name, which I've copied, dot py. So as you can see, there is a GUI with load button, and when I click on it, the interface appears, and randomly I'm just selecting one of the Excel files, and you can see there is an x-axis, y-axis, whatever we have initialized, everything is present with the visualized form of Excel. This is very useful when you have to go through many of the Excel files at once, so that you can just load the Excel file and get the useful insights out of it instead of going through the entire Excel file. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.